Gotta get it right. Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I have been, obviously, as everyone is, very busy with life. My two baby boys have been on and off sick and whatnot, but I am back today. I am also back today with an unboxing, mainly because it has been sitting on my shelf completely wrapped still from 31 Rue Cambon in Paris, France, and I want to unbox it. I want to get into this unboxing, but I also want to just tell you guys that I'm going to be dead honest and tell you that I have also just been away because I've been actually dealing with a massive claim and fraud claim and scam claim. It doesn't matter how long you are doing this or you've been involved with luxury or buying on the internet, you still get scammed, okay? I can go into it in another video. It's not over yet, so I can't kind of talk about details right now, but it's not good. I still get asked this day so many times about Instagram sellers and about eBay and about, you know, consignment stores and things like that, and who do I trust and who don't I trust. Do you know what? After 10 years of doing this, I was hurt. I was so upset that I had, I don't know, fallen for something and thought, yeah, this is gonna be awesome, but the one golden rule is if it's too good to be true, it is. Period. Point blank period. It's not maybe, it is. It just is, okay? This stuff is expensive. No matter which way you cut it, it's expensive. Even if it's discounted. If it's discounted on fashiondesigner, it's still expensive. It's a lot of money. If it's really, like, yeah, I'm scoring a deal. No, you're not, okay? Not only, you're not in the sense it could be a replica, which is the #1 problem, but also in the sense that it could be looted, it could be fraud, it could be stolen items that are being resold to you, and it's just, it is so hard to swallow. And if you are out there and you're dealing with this too, it's just, I've been talking to all my friends on Instagram. I reached out to Gina, hi babe, Angelique, Eva put up a video on her situation, and that is from the other end. That's from a seller's perspective. There are so many different perspectives that you can take on, you know, just straight up fraud, okay? It is fraud, scams. It's so bad. I still get asked, who do I trust, who don't I trust? Do you know what? You still just have to do your own due diligence, and that's what I did after the fact because I trusted the situation. And look, it's not good, and that put me off. You know, it put me off just being on the internet for a little while, so I had a little time away. Many girls have great videos on being scammed, situations, claims, how to deal with it on the internet with luxury items. That is my little spiel I just wanted to say before I got into this unboxing. Here is my 31 Rue Cambon Paris shopping bag from Chanel. I have to turn all my lights off to show you guys because it blows out crazy with white. But here it is, and this came all the way from Paris, obviously. And this came from my beautiful personal shopper in Paris, France, Irene. She is Front Row Paris. Here is my proof of purchase. She has included that in there for me. I can share the price. And it was funny when I inquired about this item with her, and I said, look, I really want to get my hands on this item. You know, what's the price in euros? They had the price increase and everything. What was the price in euros? And did, you know, Paris have it, but also did 31 Rue Cambon have it? Because obviously, you know, there's many boutiques in Paris, but I wanted it from Rue Cambon to get the packaging. And she was like, yes, they do have it, but unfortunately, last night they had a price increase. So that was that SLG price increase that happened, see, a month ago now. I'll just show you it here and unbox it here because the lights have to be down, but here it is in its beautiful box, the white Rue Cambon box. You only get white boxes in Rue Cambon, which is the maison for Chanel, or it's Chanel white boxes is the makeup department, but it obviously doesn't say the address at 31 Rue Cambon. There is the ribbon So you can see the gorgeous, beautiful box there. So there we go. Inside, obviously it's an SLG. Inside is the little care booklet. And here it is in its dust bag. And I haven't seen this. It's been sitting on my shelf. And I asked Irene to find me. Ha! Oh, cutie! Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful, you guys. So this is the Chanel 19 zip coin case. Zip coin case in the shiny goat skin with the gold hardware, but this is to match my Chanel 19 bag to get a little matchy SLG. And then there's a beautiful red, the dark kind of blood red. Here's the authenticity. It is a number 30 series, so 19, that's between, that can literally be between 20A, so Metier Done, or even 20B now, so. And then I'm pretty sure it'll be like 31 for 20K, which is pretty much coming out. There's so many collections. And this says Chanel made in Spain on the back there. Okay, so let me share a price with you guys quickly here. What have I got? 450. So it came in 450 euros, 450 euros, but I do remember her first quoting me that it was, I think it was like 430. And then she was like, oh no, actually it's 450. Oh my God, they had a price increase overnight. 450 euros was the cost plus fees plus shipping. I chose to ship with DHL. I always ship with DHL, which is the courier service, so it's a little bit more. Either way, it still came out roughly, maybe I think about $20, $30 over the Australian, full retail Australian price to get this item. But I wanted it from RUE CAMBON. So gorgeous. Little set. I love sets. Okay, that was just probably my gigantic nails. I know a lot of girls collect sets with most of their bags. They like them to match, which is really cute. They either match them to like an SLG, or some girls match them to shoes. I think that's so gorgeous. But here we go, my little matching set for my Chanel 19 bag. This is an amazing bag. I do hope they make it classic. I'm pretty sure they probably will, because it was Karl Lagerfeld's last design flat bag or handbag that he did himself. So I'm pretty sure they probably will make it classic, love it or hate it. So here we go, my current wallet card holder. She said I have a few different SLGs in the Chanel 19 line. Do you want like the flat card holder? And I had obviously just got the patent leather black one, so I was like no. But also I'm straying from flat card holders as such. I say that, and this is sitting right here. I'm straying from them because I really like how these become downsized wallets. And if you want to just get one, which is what normal people do, I strongly suggest this type of SLG, this type of card holder can very nicely transition from, you know, cards to being able to put, you know, bills in here. You can even put a key if you need to, which is just really handy. So let's go ahead and trade it out from this guy, shall we? Oh, I have to review this. Should I do a first? I might do a first impressions on this next because it's really hot, and it came up on the website in Australia actually, and every time it comes up on the website I post it on my Instagram story straight away like get it, and some people actually do. They message me back like I got it. I'll do a review. Let's transfer it over, shall we? So this is some cash, some 20s in the back there. We'll pop some cards, and there we are. So that's loaded up. So that's all my most needs cards in here and some cash, and of course that does it perfectly. Gorgeous. Oh, I might try it out to my 19 now, and it's so cute. It can stand up like so, or it can lay down. Oh, nice. Okay, let's do a few little comparisons, shall we, with this, just quickly to show you because I like doing this. So okay, we definitely have a little too many right now. So here we go. My other caviar leather with gold hardware OOTD case zip coin. Here is the new patent leather card, flat card holder, like so. And here was my first ever like of these card holders in the larger size, in the black with silver. And then this is my matte caviar flat with the zip, the thin zip compartment on top, so it's a little bit taller than the regular. This is the 19, so we can do a little comparison with the flat card holders there to show you guys. That's nice. So it's obviously like so. But these are great for downsizing into really small bags, like tiny, like mini flaps. But they definitely are not, like this would be, if you were going to get one, you can get so much more in this. These little zip arounds are definitely so great as more of a proper wallet. So there are the two comparing. So caviar leather, shiny goat skin, and then caviar, which is cowhide and pebbled. So cute, beautiful. You can sort of see from just holding at my nails that it kind of does scuff up a little bit. I think that's because this is a little bit baggier. You can see it's softer and baggier, whereas this is pulled quite tightly, and I feel like you could kind of score it up with your gigantic Cardi B nails. So that is my little unboxing for today of my Chanel purchase from 31 Rue CAMBON, Paris. I wish I had done it in person, but nevertheless, my personal shopper, Front Row Paris, is fantastic. I will link her below. She is on Instagram. She is 110% trustworthy. She is 110% honest. And she doesn't push you. I've had a few people reach out to me being like, Jerusha, what do you think? I'm being pressured by personal shoppers. You made me look up this item, now you don't want it. You have all the choice in the world. If you want to look up an item with a personal shopper and see how much it's going to cost you with fees, with shipping, then you do that. I will link her below. She is fantastic, and this is such a beautiful, beautiful little item to share with my handbag. So now we have matchy matchy, which is so cute. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope everybody is doing really well and staying safe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, guys, and you like my new little Chanel 19 Zip-O case. I hope everybody is doing really well, guys. Take care. Peace.